semiconductor energy level classification. On the behalf of this, we do the three classification. First one is the insulator, second is the semiconductor, and third one is the conductor, or we can say metals. First is the insulator. In this case, there is a particular gap between that of the valence band and the conduction band. That gap is of greater than energy gap, that is greater than of that 3 electron volt. Most of the electron lies at these energy level, so they will lies in the valence band. So if they lies in the valence band, as we know, if they lies in the valence band, so no current, they will do only their valency duty. Valency duty means they will revolve around their nucleus and the nucleus of the neighborhood orbit. And after that, like if I say this energy gap is too much, if I heat it up, their energy may increase, these electron energy may increase, but before their energy increase, their ignition temperature, ignition temperature reaches. Ignition temperature reaches, just due to that they will burn out. So what I say, if I increase their energy by giving them a heat or by increasing their temperature, so these electrons, I say they will move in the conduction band. Before that, their ignition temperature will reach, just due to that they will burn out. For example, that is the plastic and water. So these are the particular example of the insulator. So most of the electron lies in the valence band. So now we talk about the semiconductor. Semiconductor, in this case, the energy gap between the valence band and that of the conduction band is less as compared to this one. That is the 3 electron volt. That means if the energy of the electron is less than 3 or 3 less equal to or less than 3 electron volt, they may jump into the conduction band. So in this case, the electron partially lies in the valence band and partially in the conduction band. So if I increase the temperature in this case, if I increase the temperature, then the electron that lies in the valence band, then they have tendency to move in the conduction band. So if they move in the conduction band, then current will flow. So here the partially, that means some of the electron lie in the valence band and some are lie in the conduction band. Those electron lies in the valence band, they will do their valence duty. That means they revolve around their nucleus and the nucleus of the neighborhood atom. Similarly, some of the electrons lies in the conduction band. That means if we provide that electric field, like some electron that is at this point, some electron at the outer board at this point, if it move outward, when its temperature is increased, जब इसका टेम्परेचर इंक्रीज करेंगे तो ये अपना ऑर्बिट छोड़ के बाहर चला जाएगा उसी लैटिस में. तो क्या होगा, यहाँ पे एक इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड होगी. तो क्या होगा, ये जो इलेक्ट्रॉन है इट विल अट्रैक्ट टुवर्ड दिस इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड. सो दैट मीन ड्रिफ्ट, दिस इलेक्ट्रॉन ड्रिफ्ट टुवर्ड द इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड. सो इट विल मूव लाइक दिस. तो पॉजिटिव से नेगेटिव में जाएगा. सो इलेक्ट्रिसिटी विल फ्लो. So partially lies, electrons lies in the valence and the conduction band. Now metals, or we can say conductor, in this there is an overlapping of the valence band and the conduction band. So some of the electron that lies in both the band, they will अगर they will do their duty of the valency whenever they required. Whenever we provide an electric field, they will do the duty of the conduction band. What does it mean? Like say there are number of the electron that lies in this overlapping region. Okay, so overlapping region, so both the electrons lies in this conduction band, also in the valence band. So in this case, whenever there is no electric field, absence of the electric field, no electric field, what they do? They do their valency duty. That means they will revolve around their nucleus and the neighborhood nucleus. When we provide electric field, they will do the conduction duty and they will participate in the flowing of the electric current. So this is about the metal. So on the behalf of semiconductor energy level, we have classified three one. That first one is the insulator, second one is the semiconductor, and third one is the conductor or the metals. Take a screenshot of this.